Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hi, this is attorney, investor, and educator Bob Diamond, and I'm here to talk to you today about tax liens, which to me are the number one passive profit investment available in the market today.
This show is sponsored by PassiveRental.com.
Tax liens have incredibly high interest rates. The interest rates, the stated interest can go as high as 36%, and there is even one state where they give you, as the investor, up to 50% in the form of penalties that you get paid when you buy a tax lien and wait for it to get paid off. And can you imagine that? 50% a year. And I'm even going to show you at the end a way that you could do that completely tax-free. You can make 50% a year tax-free, never paid, never, no money taken by the tax man. Pretty incredible. So hang in there, I'll tell you that at the end. Tax liens are really interesting because you can invest as few as a couple $100 or as many as millions of dollars, depending, of course, on how much you have to invest and how much you want to deploy into this area. The investment is passive. Since you own a lien against the property and not the property itself, you don't have to worry about cutting the grass. You don't have to worry about fixing the roof when it leaks. You don't have to worry about overseeing contractors. Completely passive investment, which is really fantastic. And your investment is backed by real estate. I think you can think of this as similar to being a mortgage company where you have a first mortgage against the property and the mortgage supports the investment. And frankly, if they don't pay, then you can get the property and get all your money back anyway. What's interesting about tax liens and tax deeds is you can actually have a tax lien that may be $300, maybe $3,000. It could be secured against a property that's $100,000, $200,000, or even $300,000. And let's face it, if the person doesn't pay you with their $100,000 property and you're owed $1,000, you're getting your money back in the event that they don't pay you back. And in some jurisdictions, believe it or not, the taxing authority will actually just give you the property if they don't pay you. So occasionally, you'll get a grand slam home run where you may buy a tax lien for $1,000 and end up getting a $100,000 property as a result of that, completely free and clear of any liens. Can you imagine that? Pretty amazing. And there are strategies you can use depending on whether you want an investment for yield, meaning you want interest rate and penalties like that 36% or 50% I was just talking about, or you can use strategies where you get properties that are less likely to redeem, meaning they're less likely to pay you off, and then you just get the property. And again, occasionally in those, you're absolutely going to get a grand slam home run deal. But you can control that by looking at the property itself and looking at the lien. A little more involved than I can get into right now, but there are strategies if you get into this business that you're going to find where you can make it much more likely to get the property if that's what you want. And here's the tax secret that I just think is phenomenal. So normally when we pay taxes in America, we're paying anywhere from a third to half of our income, depending what taxing jurisdiction you're in and how much money you make each year. That is a big drag on an investment portfolio. If you make $1,000 and you have to give $500 to the government, brutal. Even if you make $1,000, you have to give them $333. Absolutely brutal. Well, you can use something called a self-directed Roth IRA to invest in tax liens. And get this, and don't tell anybody, you never have to pay taxes on your profits ever. You can make 50% and never pay taxes on your profits. Remember Mitt Romney was running for president? They were going on about he built this $100 million portfolio tax-free. Well, he did it with a Roth IRA. And a Roth IRA is something that you definitely want to learn more about because it's for passive investments only, like tax liens, not for active investment like house flippers. But for passive investments, you can actually earn your profits 100% tax-free. Pretty amazing. So all 50 states hold sales of either tax liens or tax deeds where they just give you the property. Sales are held in every county in America at least once a year. In big counties, like if we were talking, say Phoenix, Arizona, which is Maricopa County, they hold sales monthly because they have such a high volume they have to. So check out your local tax lien and tax deed sales and learn about this really lucrative area of investing because it really can be the source of the most incredible deals. And even if you're not getting the property, the most incredible yields on investing. I mean, better than putting your bank at 2% on an IRA, that's for sure. So this is attorney and investor Bob Diamond. I hope that you will go and check out Tax Liens and Tax Leads and learn about this amazing and interesting area of real estate investing. So I will see you next time, and see you next time from the REI Flip Nerd.
PassiveRental.com is your source for turnkey, done-for-you rental properties. If you'd like to be an investor and not a landlord, please visit PassiveRental.com to learn how to purchase cash-flowing, professionally managed rental properties in the hottest rental markets across the country. We can also help connect you with financing for your next property. Invest the easy way today and get started by visiting PassiveRental.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at FlipNerd.com. Please check out the FlipNerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at FlipNerd.com/shows, or simply search for FlipNerd in the iTunes Store.